Hello students, today we will discuss about onto function, also known as surjective function. First of all, we revise the definition. A function f from a to b is called onto or surjective if for every y belongs to b there exists at least one element x belongs to a such that f of x is equal to y. Now what is this meaning of this? The function is defined from a to b, that means a is the domain and b is the codomain. So every element from the codomain has a pre-image in domain. Suppose we take any element from B, that is codomain, we can find, or by calculation there exists at least one element in the domain A such that f of x is equal to y. In simpler words, we can also say f from A to B is onto if every element of B has some pre-image in A. As we all know that elements from the domain, they are called pre-images, and elements from codomain, they are called images. So if we take any image from the codomain, there must be some pre-image in A such that f of x is equal to y. So this is another definition of the onto function. So we can clearly deduce from this that if we take all the elements which are some images of the domain, they are written as f of a. F of capital A means we have taken all the elements which are images of the elements of the domain. Then the range and codomain of onto function coincide. So in simpler words or in deduction, we can say that codomain and range of onto function are same and identical. Now we will take some example and check whether they are onto or not. Suppose we take a function from n means set of natural numbers, to n defined by f of x is equal to 2x, and we want to show that it is not onto. Students, always remember that whenever you have to show that the function is not onto, we have to give some example only. Now we want to find some example. Let's take one example that 1 is a natural number, we all know. Now we want to find the pre-image of 1. So if we take 1, then there must be some x such that f of x is equal to 1. If we put the value of f of x, it is equal to 2x. So 2x must be equal to 1. The value of x comes out to be 1 by 2. And we know that 1 by 2 is not natural number. What does that mean? This means that the 1 belongs to natural number, does not have the image in this domain set n. X is equal to 1 by 2 does not belong to n. So therefore domain n does not contain this pre-image. So we have found one element, 1 belongs to n, there does not exist any x belongs to n such that f of x is equal to 1. So according to the definition, every element in codomain must have some pre-image, but we have found one element that does not have any pre-image, so f is not onto. Let's take another example. We have taken this example in 1 function. Modulus function defined from real numbers to real numbers. F of x is equal to mod of x. Now we want to show that it is not onto. As we know that when we want to show that function is not onto, we have to give some example. So we try to find some example. Now if we take any element -2, clearly -2 belongs to the codomain. -2 is a negative real number, so R contains all the real numbers, positive as well as negative. So -2 also belongs to the real number. Now we all know that any modulus function, mod of x, will always be a positive real number. So we cannot find any x such that f of x is equal to -2. So therefore it means that -2 in the codomain exists, but its pre-image does not exist. So therefore f is not onto, modulus function is not onto from real numbers to real numbers. Let's take another example. Prove that function from natural numbers to natural numbers defined by x square plus x plus 1 is not onto. If possible, let 1 belongs to natural number. There exists some pre-image x belongs to natural numbers such that f of x is equal to 1. We can simply assume that there exists some pre-image of element 1. Then there must exist f of x is equal to 1, means x square plus x plus 1 must be equal to 0. That means x square plus x is equal to 0. 1 and 1 cancels. That means if we factorize, x takes out common, x into x plus 1 must be equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. We get two values of x is equal to 0 or x is equal to -1. But both of these are not natural numbers. They are not belonging to natural numbers. So that means any pre-image of 1 does not belong to the domain set N. So 1 belongs to N has no pre-image. If no pre-image is there, that means f is not onto. Now let us take another example. This example is very important. It has come in the examination, annual examination also. Let f from n to n, natural number to natural number, be defined by f of n is equal to n plus 1 if n is odd, and it is n minus 1 if n is even, for all n belongs to natural numbers. Now we have to state whether f is onto or not, and we have to justify. That means we have to prove it or disprove it. So if we take any element from the codomain y belongs to n, we have two cases according to this question. Either y is even or y is odd. First we take y is even number, case number 1. Then there exists x is equal to y minus 1. If y is even number, then y minus 1 will be odd. So that means x is equal to odd number, so that f of x will be, now definition of odd will be applicable. So f of x is odd, then f of x will be x plus 1. So f of x is equal to x plus 1. The value of x we have taken y minus 1. So y minus 1 plus 1 is equal to y. So we have found one element y minus 1 which is odd and belongs to natural number, such that f of x is equal to y. So y is onto in the case y is even. So function f is onto when y is even. Now again we want to prove that function f is onto when y is odd. So we take y is odd, then there exists x is equal to y plus 1 belongs to natural number. Obviously when y is odd, y plus 1 is even, so that f of x will be, now definition of even will be applicable. So f of x will be x minus 1. So value of x is y plus 1, y plus 1 minus 1 will be again equal to y. This clearly shows that pre-image of y exists in the domain. So f of x is equal to y. Now we have proved f is onto for y is even and f is onto for y is odd. So f is onto for all natural numbers. So in this way we can disprove or prove that the given function is onto or not. Hope you get and will you try these questions, similar questions in your notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.